Wait. Okay.
Hello Carrie, this is video number 2, and here is where we check our COM port. So we go to device management of the computer, control panel, and where's device management, and we go to ports, COM ports, and we can see that USB to serial COM port is COM port 12, and we can see all of the details. USB to serial COM port 12, okay. So we go back here to our software system and select COM port, and we select COM port 12 and click OK, and let's try it again. Receiver inspection, communication failed, please check the connection of the receiver. Apart from that, we can restart the software and restart the computer and try the whole process again.